3 to go.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Which one's it gonna be? What do you think?
1, 2, 3. Which one's it gonna be? It's 3.
Number 3?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. What's it gonna be? 3.
Okay. Finally!
No.
Uncommon. Wait, what do we have? Oh, we have an uncommon. We want the common. And did we already have this one?
Yeah.
That's so loud.
We already have it.
Oh, that's the one we have. Wait, let's look at the backpack real quick, because now I'm confused. Oh, yeah, 2 uncommons. Oh, man. All right. Well, then we will see. We have 2 more to go. It's going to be crazy if we open up 26 cubes and we get no common tri-klopses. That's crazy.
Yep. But eventually we will. There are some more coming out. So.
And we also have no uncommon battle cat.
Oh, yeah.
Right. And the ones coming out, though, are not these guys. So if we don't get a tri-klops in these boxes, that's going to be it for a bit. So, we'll see. But all right, here we go. Well, that's cool. I mean, so at least we have, like, we have a tri-klops. We can use one, keep one later. We'll see.
Yeah.
I think our fiery battle cat might be my favorite. No, I don't know. We got the rare He-Man. I forgot about that.
I like He-Man.
Yeah, you like Lightning He-Man?
Yeah, but I want grilled tri-klops.
And we have that one legendary, too.
Ooh, I kind of like the fire battle cat.
Yeah, this guy here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he looks great.
Yeah, I just want to open him.
Well, we'll see. When games and stuff come, we'll see. And then, when this marketplace comes, then maybe that's when we can buy and sell and trade and stuff. So maybe somebody's got a tri-klops that they want to trade us for something we have. We'll see.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right, 2 to go. I guess we'll see what comes next, huh?
See ya.